So we can download SQLite from Google. So you can download it from here. After that, you can access it. I have already downloaded this. So that's how it looks. To create a table, what we can do, you can click on database. So this window will pop up. So if I want to give my table name is like data point as the name of my table. So you can see here, that's how it's already writing it for us. So I want to add one column and mention whether it is integer or text or anything else. So suppose it's a integer for me and the name I'm giving. I can add one more field and say this is text. So that's how it create a table automatically for us. We can copy this and we can use it in Python also. If you will see, this table has get created. So with two columns, serial number and email. If you want to see this, so you can see the browse data. So in that you can find out and you can do the entry also. From here you can insert. You can insert a new row also like that. So as soon as you are inserting the row, the command related to this is coming here. Okay, and the same command we can use it in Python. So we can use this command to create a to insert a element in Python. Okay, so if I enter one, number two, in the similar command I can copy. I can go to the execute SQL. Here I can write the command. Write this command. So this is the name of table. After that I'll give the name and the column names. So that is S underscore N, which you can see here at line number 9. I'm doing that only. Okay, after that I'll provide the value. So if I want to insert it, say number 4, email ID is, okay. So if I execute this from here, so for time being, see it is showing syntax error because we have given the values as a text only, but at is not at that, it doesn't come under text. So for time being I'm writing heartfulness only in this. We put this within inverted comma. Now it is fine. Now if you see your table, browse data, so this entry has got added. So these are two ways. Either you can do the entry directly into the table, okay, and can get the command here, or you can write the command and then execute it, and then also you will get the same thing. But why we are doing this, this was just the basics of this data, this SQLite, but the same command we are going to use in uh, Python also. So I'll show you how to use these commands in Python. So that thing will be demonstrated in the next video. So in the description of this video, I have given some links which are useful for learning SQLite, and it's linked with Python. So you can use it further. Thank you.